Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is NUTSY. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got from this to this. Before we dive into the tutorial, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on that notification bell so that you won't miss out any of my future videos. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram so that we can be closer to each other. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I've already moisturized my face and now I'm applying this Photo Finish Foundation Primer by Smashbox. And for foundation, I'm using the Infallible Pro Matte 24-Hour Foundation by Loreal. This is one of my favorites. I'll say this foundation is really suitable to be used in Malaysia because our country is so hot. Even after a long day, the foundation still looks really good on the skin. I love it. Next, I'm using this brow gel from Benefit to achieve bigger and fuller eyebrows. You want to quickly push your hair up before the brow gel is set. Once the brow gel is set, I'm going to move on to the Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil in number 4. And you want to angle your eyebrow pencil following the direction of your hair. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a more in-depth video on the brows. Moving forward, I'm using this stalk'r bronzer from Fenty Beauty. I haven't changed much in my contour techniques. Everything is pretty much the same. Moving on to concealer, of course, I'm going to use the Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte. Oh my god, this concealer is powerful. I never really understand why people love it so much until I got it recently. And you don't really need so much product on this one because a little goes a really long way. So be careful to use this one because if you are going for a more natural look, you want to start with a very light hand. Maybe just put a little dot under your eye and try it out and then build it up if you want more coverage. And now I'm just using the same bronzer to do a little transition for my eyeshadow. And I'm gonna use the Summer Seduction from Lip & Co. and pick up this color right here. And I'm gonna apply at the outer V of my eye. I really like this eyeshadow palette. Look at how pigmented it is. I'm also gonna apply this on my lower lash line. Curl my lashes and then I'm gonna move on to the hypercurl mascara from Maybelline. My all-time favorite, I'm not kidding. Moving on to blusher, I'm using this Melba powder blush from MAC. Guys, if you haven't tried putting your blusher on your nose, you have to try it out. I think it's the game changer for me. I look super cute and super natural putting blusher on my nose. And also don't forget to put a little bit on your chin so everything will look more like skin. Moving on to lips, I'm using this Sensational Shine Compulsion lipstick from Maybelline in Undressed Pink. I wasn't really sure if I'm going for this lipstick because it is super pink, like baby pink. But after the entire look was done, I thought it looks kind of cute. I noticed I forgot to put my bronzer on the nose, so that's what I'm doing. And then this last step is so important because if you're using any lipstick that moves, make sure that you press your lips, the inner part of your lips, on a tissue paper. That's gonna help preventing the lipstick from touching your teeth. Alright guys, that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you like this look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and I shall see you on my next one. Bye!